Hello and welcome to DriveSpark. Today is a very special day for TVS Motor Company as it has launched this motorcycle. It has a base price of rupees 2.59 lakh and then you can add on to it for the various additions to it. It gets different kits, different dynamic, it gets the race kit, the dynamic kit and a lot of other feature additions. You can even customize the alloy wheels on it. But before we go ahead and look at the motorcycle, let's take a look at the built-to-order platform that TVS is talking about. So TVS has just launched the built-to-order platform as well. It's an industry first for a manufacturer to give customization options for a motorcycle in this segment from the factory, and well, TVS has done just that. So you can download the TVS Arrive app or you can go to the website. The web-based configurator is there where you can configure your motorcycle according to your taste. You can even choose your the alloy wheel color as per your preference. You can choose from red and black for now, but more options are expected to arrive in the future. This motorcycle that you see here in the frame right now is the race replica. Basically it is TVS Racing's colors on the Apache RR310 for the road, and well, it looks rather brilliant, don't you think? So you've got the TVS Racing on the side, you've got the Apache with the DOHC decals on the side, on the fairing as well. The fairing still remains just as sharp as it ever was, and also you get the same race spec stickering on the chassis. The chassis is of course exposed as usual, but the new addition is this brass coated chain. So this is rust resistant and also it looks so much better than the normal chains that we find on the standard motorcycle. Also you're looking at the alloy wheels. It's decked in red right now. You can choose the alloy wheel color according to your preference through the built-to-order platform. The Apache RR310 continues to feature great design details. As usual, it features a sharp design on all the side. Now this exhaust that you're looking at, this exhaust system is new. The muffler is called a sports muffler, race muffler. So TVS has meddled with the muffler for a bit and it does feature a lot of changes. So what it has is a sportier exhaust note, and it also gets a higher angle so that when you're taking it into corners, well, you don't scrape the exhaust anymore. You can lean the bike even further. Now let's take a look at the foot pegs. So the foot pegs are new as well. So these foot pegs are made in such a way that you can grip the motorcycle better. Your boots do not slip. Again, something for the racetrack. The race kit comes with a high set foot pegs so that you can take corners at a higher lean angle without scraping the foot pegs, and that is a great addition. But the biggest highlight of them all is the fully adjustable suspension. So let's check out the fully adjustable suspension. So you've got lots of suspension settings on the motorcycle where you can adjust a lot of things. So you can adjust the rebound, you can adjust the preload, the compression on the front and on the rear. There's a whole area where you can adjust the suspension, and that is great on a motorcycle in this price bracket, in this segment. Having fully adjustable suspension to such a degree on a 300cc motorcycle is superb. Well, that kind of sums up the mechanical changes made to the motorcycle, but the big change comes in the form of the instrumentation. There is a lot of changes when it comes to instrumentation. We'll show you in just a bit. So you can use a switch gear to toggle through the instrumentation. It gets a new dynamic engine rev limiter indicator. So what that does is basically it takes the engine temperature into account and it changes the rev limit displayed on the screen according to the engine temperature. As the temperature increases, it allows you to rev the engine further. Of course, this is a digital feature. Mechanically, you can still rev the engine, but it tells you not to rev it when it's cold. Also, let's check out the different details on the instrumentation. So you go to the vehicle, all right, and you go to documents and you find document 2, document 3, you find 310. Basically these are documents that the motorcycle, it allows you to upload the RC card, the insurance and your driving license, so your vehicle documents are stored in your vehicle. How cool is that feature? Also it gets other features like a day trip meter, so it allows you to look at your trip details, and this day trip meter allows you to check out how much distance you've covered in that one day. You can leave it on auto, or you can say, okay, I'm starting my day now, and you can program it, and it will calculate the amount of kilometers you've done in that one particular day. Well, these are the big changes on the new motorcycle. Of course, these changes come at a price, and the price is of course 12,000 rupees for the dynamic kit and 5,000 rupees for the race kit, etc, etc. 1,500 rupees for the alloy wheels, red colored alloy wheels, and that is something that is just great. It looks like TVS has done a lot of research into this, where they have gone into the minds of the customers, where they want, people want to buy such motorcycles and they want to make it their own, they want to customize it, and the built-to-order platform allows owners to do just that, allows buyers to do just that. And well, that in a nutshell is the TVS Apache RR310 for you, the new 2021 model. Do watch out for the full review coming up soon. We have ridden it out on the racetrack at the Madras Motor Racetrack, and the review will be out soon. So do stay tuned to DriveSpark for that. And well, that's it from us for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to DriveSpark and do stay safe.